Today's lecture focuses on the impact of climate change on agriculture and food security. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather have reduced crop yields in many regions, while floods and droughts destroy harvests in others. Climate change also increases pests and plant diseases, further threatening food supply. With the global population expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, food demand will rise significantly. To address this, experts are promoting sustainable farming techniques, such as drought-resistant crops, improved irrigation, and renewable energy in agriculture. Overall, climate change poses serious risks, but innovative solutions can help secure food for the future.
The lecture discussed how climate change affects agriculture and food security. Rising temperatures, floods, and droughts reduce crop yields, and pests worsen the problem. With the population growing, food demand will rise. Experts suggest solutions like drought-resistant crops, better irrigation, and renewable energy. Overall, climate change threatens food supply, but innovative practices can help secure it.
Today's lecture focuses on the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, and their environmental impact. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, helping reduce urban air pollution. Governments worldwide offer incentives like tax credits and subsidies to encourage adoption. However, challenges remain, including limited battery range, high purchase costs, and insufficient charging infrastructure. Battery production also relies on rare minerals, which can harm the environment. Experts predict that as technology improves, EVs will play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable transportation in the coming decades.
The lecture focused on electric vehicles and their environmental impact. EVs produce no tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution, and governments provide incentives like subsidies. Challenges include limited battery range, high costs, and rare mineral use. Overall, EVs are key to reducing emissions, and technology improvements and supportive policies are vital.
Today's lecture discusses the effects of social media on mental health. While social media connects people and provides access to information, excessive use can increase anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Constant exposure to curated content may lead to unrealistic comparisons and low self-esteem, particularly among teenagers. However, social media also supports online communities, mental health awareness campaigns, and educational resources. Experts recommend moderation, mindful usage, and balancing online interactions with offline activities. Overall, social media can benefit or harm mental well-being depending on how it is used.
The lecture explored social media's impact on mental health. Excessive use can cause anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem, especially among teens, while it can also provide support and awareness campaigns. Experts recommend moderation and balancing online and offline interactions. Overall, social media can help or harm well-being depending on usage.
Today's lecture focuses on renewable energy and its role in combating climate change. Renewable sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power reduce greenhouse gas emissions and reliance on fossil fuels. Many countries are investing in renewable infrastructure to promote sustainability. However, challenges include high initial costs, intermittent supply, and technical limitations. Governments and researchers are addressing these through policies, innovation, and international collaboration. Overall, renewable energy is essential for environmental sustainability and economic progress, and its adoption is critical for reducing carbon footprints worldwide.
The lecture discussed renewable energy and its role in fighting climate change. Sources like solar, wind, and hydro reduce emissions, but challenges include high costs and intermittent supply. Governments and researchers promote policies, innovation, and collaboration. Overall, renewable energy is essential for sustainability and reducing carbon footprints.
Today's lecture discusses artificial intelligence, AI, and its applications in daily life and industry. AI systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as decision-making, problem-solving, and language understanding. In healthcare, AI helps with diagnostics and treatment recommendations. In finance, it detects fraud and automates processes. And in transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles. However, AI raises concerns about ethics, privacy, and potential job displacement. Experts suggest regulation, transparency, and employee training to manage these risks. Overall, AI offers significant opportunities for innovation and efficiency, but it must be used responsibly.
The lecture focused on AI and its applications in daily life. AI helps in healthcare, finance, and transport but raises ethical, privacy, and job concerns. Solutions include regulation, transparency, and training. Overall, AI offers great opportunities for efficiency and innovation, but must be used responsibly.
Ocean pollution and its impact on marine life and human health. Human activities, including plastic waste disposal, oil spills, and chemical runoff, have significantly contaminated oceans. Plastics harm marine animals through ingestion and entanglement, while chemicals affect water quality and food safety. Overfishing and habitat destruction worsen these problems. Experts recommend reducing plastic use, improving waste management, regulating industrial discharge, and creating marine protected areas. Overall, protecting oceans is essential for maintaining biodiversity, supporting livelihoods, and ensuring a sustainable environment for future generations.
The lecture primarily discussed ocean pollution and examined its causes and effects. The speaker explained that human activities like plastic waste disposal, oil spills, and chemical runoff have contaminated oceans and illustrated this with examples such as plastics harming marine animals and chemicals affecting water quality. Additionally, the lecture highlighted issues like overfishing and habitat destruction and suggested solutions such as reducing plastic use, improving waste management, regulating industrial discharge, and creating marine protected areas. Overall, the lecture emphasized that protecting oceans is essential for biodiversity, human livelihoods, and ensuring a sustainable environment for future generations.
Subscribe to Upskill Yours PTE to know more.